Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, Cooper and I are doing something very, very exciting. A little over a year ago, we bought our dream truck, a Ford F-150 Tremor, and we decided this summer that we thought we'd upgrade it a little bit for our summer adventures. So today, we will be installing a bed rack to elevate this a little bit, and on top of that, we're going to be putting in a rooftop tent. We purchased the Roofnest Condor Overland Double XL Air. Boy, was that a mouthful. So you and I are going to be learning more about this together because we have it here ready to go. We did a lot of research and decided that this was one we wanted for a few different reasons, which I will go over. But I'm excited to see it in person and put it on and give our true rating and review. I think it'll be super fun. And if all goes well and this runs smoothly, this installation, we might take it out for a little adventure tonight. All right, let's do it. Our first step is to install the rack on the bed of the truck.
The first thing you gotta do is get rid of the instructions. Step one, connect the straight part to the not so straight part. And then do that 6 times, and then I can imagine that we're gonna have to align it so it's the same width as the bed. Fuck around, find out. One down, 2 to go.
Update, we have attached sides and then realized we couldn't attach it to the inside. So they're reworking the entire thing.
We're working through the kinks.
Crushing it. Ozzy was injured.
Ah!
We accidentally dropped the entire rooftop tent on his leg. We had a few mishaps, but it's officially on. Time for part 2, putting on the roof nest. I'm a little nervous for this part. Cranking her down. Christening the tent. It's time for the big reveal.
No.
We're gonna open it up. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
She's up. It's time to go camping. We are back. Day 2 with our beloved rooftop tent, and we're finally gonna put it to the test. Finally. Finally. It's been way too long owning this without using it. Cooper really wanted to use it last night, but as you saw, the sun did set. We worked a full work day today, and now we're going camping after work. The sun is setting. However, we're gonna make it in time, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. How do you like driving with the thing so far?
It's good. It's got a little top heaviness to it, but other than that, not even noticeable.
It's pretty fun. And after we sleep in it, we're gonna give you guys our full rating and review. It's pretty cool. I checked out the inside last night. It's got some crazy stuff going on in there. Very much a luxury compared to normal camping, how we used to camp, honestly. It's blowing my mind. We have now seen 2 foxes on our journey.
Fox eye.
Fox eye. That's gotta be good luck or something. I love fox eyes. Foxes. Fox eye. is the campsite for the night. We're just doing a little readjusting, Cooper is, so that it lays flat when we sleep. And the view is just incredible. Wow. What a perfect evening. And that's what I call engineering. You like it? Good job. You nervous about that?
It's okay.
It's just okay. Welcome to our new home. The sunset is actually insane. I'm actually shook that this is where we get to sleep tonight. This is just insane. Look at our little home on wheels. Cooper's chefing up dinner. What do we got here? Some potatoes, onions, some steak soon. Alright, it's officially time for my review after one night in the rooftop tent. I didn't sleep that well because there was so much wind because we decided to camp on top of a mountain. But comfort-wise, incredibly comfortable. Would have slept so well had there not been noisy wind. I was so warm. I think this is like, Cooper says it's insulated, but at least just like way thicker than a normal tent that we are used to is. I literally took off layers because I was so warm. And I didn't even use my sleeping bag as normal. I like just used it as a blanket, and we just have a bunch of blankets in here. So the Roofnest comes with this mattress pad. It is inflatable a little bit. We need to mess around with these. I feel like we could get it to inflate more. We couldn't tell if it was self-inflating or not, so still need to figure it out. And they also provide you with these bamboo sheets and a little puffy blanket. So that all came with it. There is a place to store all of this when it collapses in here. So we have our other blanket bags in there, and that goes the full length of the tent. Also, Cooper and I slept this way. I don't know how I'm gonna show this best. There's a long way and a short way. And we slept with our, like the long way, two of us side by side. However, I fit the full length the short way. Like my head is here. I'm the full length of the whole tent this way. So if you wanted to, you could sleep that way, and I feel like I could fit 4 or 5 of me comfortably this way. Boom, boom, boom. All these, there's just so much room. How was your first night in the tent?
Well, water got spilled in my sleeping bag last night, so I was pretty cold, but it was good.
It was good. Well, okay, how was the tent? To give people a rating and review of the actual tent.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, wow. I mean, you also get to wake up to views like this, so that's just so worth it. Alarm is going off. Again, we have places to be, people to see, 6:20 in the morning. A few more things. There is storage here and here. Like I said before, that whole place is storage for bedding. And there's a little more over here and in some fun places. Then every window we have can open up to a screen. So this is like a mesh screen. So you could have the windows open all night. And also, this one on top opens up to plastic, so you can watch the stars as you sleep, which is insane. We shut it for warmth, but we watched them for a little bit before doing so, and it's just so nice that every single window has that built-in feature. This has a little awning here, and these two on the sides, I believe, have awnings as well. Oh, there's this little pocket here when you're coming up the stairs to put your shoes in. So you can sit on the edge, put your shoes in here so you never get the inside of the tent dirty. I feel like they thought of so many features and put them into this that just make it go above and beyond. Truly, I never would have thought of all this stuff. Oh, there's one more insane thing. It comes with 2 full bars of LED lighting down here and here. Look at how bright that is. And you can make it go brighter or dimmer. It has this full one there and another one there. It's actually so bright, it's insane. So overall, this place is perfect. Ooh, also one feature we did not use and probably won't yet for a while. Well, we'll see. Cooper was cold. We might have to look into this. They have holes on multiple sides of the tent over here that you can put heating through. Blow warm air in. Cooper is really excited to take this hunting in the fall because it has a lot easier setup and takedown than a normal tent. And you know, you got those early mornings when you're hunting, so could be beneficial for him to connect a little heating thing if he's doing like season 4 or something, you know, but we'll see. Anyways, I think that's it for the inside of the tent tour. She's massive and so comfortable, and the sleeping pad, I woke up, I don't have any aches and pains, and normally I wake up with a lot of those when I go camping. Time for takedown. Looks good. Wow. We are rocking and rolling. I'm shook. Taking down the tent just took 30 seconds. What the heck? What a beautiful day.